do not a magnetizer. That's it. Magnetize that and magnetize that. It starts spinning. Oh goodness. Oh no. It didn't kill me. Let's go. New chemicals. Yep, I did. Okay, now for something different. To the tornado controller. Switching to mouse. That's the vortex. Tornado. Alright. Oh goodness. Get into the middle of it. Now it's on. It launched us up into the atmosphere. Wow. That's from above. And I can't believe it. We're flying, or falling with style, I guess. Okay. So let's figure out where these pianos fall from. Alright. Since we're stuck in the sky, let's restart real quick. There's so many amazing things. Let's see, we've got glare, which of course, that's atomic powered gun. Basically makes holes out of everything. Surprised it didn't go straight through. Okay, so calling it airstrike. Here we go. Airstrike. Yeah. Thank you, citizen. See, we can set the place on fire, put the fire out, see. And I'd be a terrible firefighter. And see, this game likes to make a chug. Get a chug from time to time. When there's a lot of particles. So yeah. Alright. There, oh, there it is. Alright. Switching back to controller. Oh yeah, I forgot to do an intro. The some video games. I don't even know if I'm allowed to say stuff anymore. I do not like canceled intro. You want to cancel me because of that? Fine. Go ahead. I'll get it over before I start. But anyway. Yeah, mayhem is fun. Let me see if I can get back in the truck. Hey, nope. I ruined it. Okay. So let's see. Let's set it on fire then. Thermite and water don't mix. C4? Well, didn't realize. Oh, that one's okay. Whee! Okay. And it'll blow you up if you hold it down for too long.